Hello guys, welcome to Sri Tutors. Today we are going to learn the lesson called To Height, which is in Unit 2 Reading A from 9th class English textbook. The story talks about the feelings of an athlete as he pursues his dream. Read about a nerve-wracking day in Michael Stone's life as he prepares to take the ultimate test of his sports career. Here, the story talks about the feelings of an athlete. This story is talking about the feelings of a sportsman of his dreams. Reading about a nerve-wracking day in Michael Stone's life. The story is about Michael Stone's life. This is the nerve-wracking day in Michael Stone's life as he prepares to take a ultimate test of sports career. Today there is a test for him. It is an ultimate test for his career. It is an inspiring achievement that will leave you breathless. His palms were sweating. He needed a towel to dry his grip. His palms were sweating means he is getting sweated and he needed a towel to dry his palm. A glass of ice water quenched his thirst but hardly cooled his intensity. A glass of ice water quenched his thirst. Means the glass of cool water quenched his thirst but hardly cooled his intensity. The astroturf he sat on was as hot as the competition he faced today at the National Junior Olympics. The AstroTurf is a sport. He sat on was a hot as the competition has faced. He faced a competition at the National Junior Olympics that day. The pole was set at 17 feet height. The pole is set at 17 feet height. That was 3 inches higher than his personal best. Since he tried many times, the highest height of Michael Stone is 14 feet and the pole height was set at 3, 3 inches higher than his personal height. Michael Stone confronted the most challenging day of his pole vaulting career. The stands were still filled with about 20,000 people, even though the final race has ended an hour earlier. The stands are filled with 20,000 people. Also, the final race has been ended before an hour. The pole vault is truly the glamour event of any track and field competition. The pole vault is a game. Here it is telling that it is the glamour of event of any track and field competition. The sportsman combines the grace of a gymnast with the strength of a bodybuilder for pole vaulting. Means the man who is participating should be a gymnast and a bodybuilder. Pole vaulting also has the element of flying. In pole vaulting, there is also flying, and the thought of flying as high as two storied buildings is mere fantasy to anyone watching such an event. Today, it is not only Michael Stone's reality and dream; it is in his quest. Means in the it is not only reality and dream of Michael Stone, it is also a question. As long as Michael could remember, he had always dreamed of flying. He was always dreaming about flying. Michael's mother read him numerous stories about flying when he was growing up. Michael Stone's mother was telling about the flying stories for Michael Stone when he was growing up. Her stories her stories were always the ones that described the land from a bird's eye view. The stories which are told by Michael Stone's mother are like the land from a bird's eye view. Her excitement and passion for details made Michael's dream full of color and beauty. Her excitement, which she was telling, made the Michael Stone's dream colors, and beauty. Michael had this one recurring dream. Has an one recurring dream. He would be running down a country road. He could feel the rocks and chunks of the dirt at his feet. As he raced down the golden line wheat fields, he would always outrun the locomotives passing by. He would be running down a country road. Means he is running at the country road and down there are rocks, chunks and dirt at his feet. As he raced from the golden line wheat fields, means he is thinking that he was running in the golden lined wheat fields, where he flew would always coincide with his mother's stories. His dad, on the other hand, was not a dreamer. When he flew about his mother's stories, the dad of Michael Stone was not a dreamer. Burt Stone was a hardcore realist. Burt Stone is the father of Michael Stone. He believed in hard work and speed. Means the Burt Stone always believes the hard work and speed. His motto: the if you want something, work for it. If you want for if you want something, work for it. It is a motto of Burt Stone. From the age of 14, Michael did just that. He began a very careful, regimented weightlifting program. He did he did a very careful and regimented weightlifting program at the age of 14. He worked out every other day with weights. He is doing every day with weights with some kind of running work on alternate days. This day by day he is doing running. The program was carefully monitored by Michael's coach, trainer, and father. Here, this program was this program is carefully monitored, means carefully observed by Michael Stone coach, who is the trainer, and Michael Stone father. He is Burt Stone. Michael's dedication, determination, and discipline was the coach's deed. Michael should be dedicated and determined and disciplined. It was a coach. Here coach is Burt Stone.